Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix bamboo AMS filament stuck in path, failed to pull back filament error. Fix 1. Unload the filament. On the printer screen, go to the filament and from there select unload. Now if the unload process fails, cancel it and turn off the printer before inspecting the filament path. Fix 2. Check the PTFE tube. Disconnect the PTFE tube from the AMS and the printer and look through the tube for broken or stuck filament pieces. Then push a straight piece of filament through the tube to clear any blockage. Fix 3. Remove broken filament from the AMS. Open the AMS lid and identify the affected filament slot. Now press the feeder release if needed and carefully pull out any visible filament. If a spawn piece is lodged inside the feeder, push it through with another piece of filament instead of forcing it out. Fix 4. Inspect the AMS feeder. Check that the feeder rollers rotate freely. Remove any filament dust or plastic debris using tweezers or compressed air, and make sure the filament sensor area is clean. Fix 5. Check the buffer and hub. Disconnect the PTFE tube from the AMS buffer or hub. Then push the filament through the buffer by hand to confirm it removes smoothly. Remove any broken filament trapped inside the buffer or hub. Fix 6. Inspect the printer extruder. Heat the nozzle to the correct printing temperature, then check the extruder for a clog or jam that could prevent the AMS from feeding filament. And clear the obstruction before trying to reload filament. Fix 7. Reload the filament. Trim the filament end at a 45-degree angle and insert it into the AMS until the feeder grabs it. Now start the load function and confirm the filament reaches the nozzle successfully. Fix 8. Avoid future AMS jams. Store filament dry to prevent brittleness, then replace cracked or brittle filament rolls, and ensure the spool rotates freely without excessive resistance, and regularly clean the AMS feeder and PTFE tubes to remove filament dust. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.